Just a quick reminder that Pilates Camp starts August 1st, 2020. That's 7 days of Pilates workouts sent straight to your inbox. So you can get a program going, feel good, gain energy and strength. Sign up is below. All right, you're here for some abs. Let's get started. Lay down on your back. Nice and slow. Knees are bent, hands behind your head. And you want to interlock your fingers, thumbs at the base of your skull. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl, roll up into a chest lift. Inhale to come back down. We're going to do a few. You are going to notice, even though this is a short workout, it is not a fast workout, meaning I am going to work those abdominal muscles, but without necessarily going really fast. Okay, so try to follow the speed of your breath, and what you'll find is you really end up focusing even more into those deep muscles that need to be worked. On this one, roll up, stay there. Twist to your right. Come back to center, keeping the crunch. Twist to your left. Center, down, do it again. So come up, twist, center. So notice, because we're going slow, you have to hold that crunch longer, which is where the work really comes in. And twist, center, down. So we have 3 more sets of that, but now when you come up, go to the left first. We just want to even you out. See if you can get your shoulder blades even higher off the mat. Keep your elbows wide. Okay, so try not to just pull on your neck here. And if you're having any neck pain, remember, I have some videos on tutorials on how to do crunches without neck pain. So pause this, go watch that, and then come back. Okay, last one. I want you to come up the center, stay here. Lift your right leg to tabletop, lower it back down. Left leg up, lower it back down. So I'm exhaling and inhaling. I'm trying to keep my crunch the whole time. Last one, and down, roll down. We're going to come back up, roll back up. Now lift your right leg so it's just hovering off the ground, okay? Reach it out and back in. So you'll see I'm just keeping it hovered the whole time. Last 2. So we're really getting those deep abs here. Switch legs, out and in, elbows still wide, check in, shoulder blades up, last 2, and last 1, come back in, lower, roll down, arms come up, inhale, no break, exhale, come right back up, believe me, I want 1 too, reach your fingertips long, both legs up to tabletop, okay, similar pattern we just did, reach one leg out so it's hovering. Come back in, switch. Reach the fingertips long, long, long. Good, reach the leg long. You got it. This is when you start to think, oh, these 5 minutes are going so slow. I know. Last one. Good, hug your knees in. Roll back down. Straighten the legs up. This is the last part of this series. Turn the legs out. Arms up towards the ceiling again. Inhale. Exhale, roll up, reaching the fingertips long, and I want you to lower the legs and lift. So I have a turnout. My heels are glued together. And I'm trying not to just throw my legs around. It's a controlled lower and lift. Last 3, you got it. 3 and 2. Last one. Nice job. Roll down. Hug your knees in. Rock it side to side. All right, reach the legs long. Reach your arms back behind you. Inhale. Exhale, arms come up. We're going to roll all the way up, which is so much harder after all that abdominal work. Restack. Swing your legs around because you're going to find a plank position. Okay, so you're going to have hands underneath your shoulders. You can always do this series on your knees, but for this video, I'm going to do it up on my toes. So reach one leg back, curl the toes underneath, other leg back, right? Find your nice long plank. So I'm lifted up on my toes. My elbows are slightly bent. I have this nice long position in my spine. Now I want you to tap the left shoulder with your right hand and then switch. So you'll see my body shifts slightly from side to side, but I'm trying not to let it move too much. So I don't want your hips lifting up if you can help it. I don't want you rolling all over the place. You will move, that's okay. We're shifting, but try to keep it controlled. Last two. One, nice job. Take your weight up and back. This is your break. Come back, forward. I want your right leg to step to the right of your mat, and then back to center. Left leg left, center. So we're just tapping. We're in the home stretch. You guys are doing great. Last two. Last one. Take your hips up and back. Okay, last thing here. I want you to lift your right leg up. When you come forward into plank, pull your knee to your left elbow and then take it up and back. So it's my right knee and it's reaching to tap my left elbow. Up and back. Obliques, twists. You got it. It's really deep. That's kind of the focus of this workout if you haven't noticed. All of those deep abdominals. Okay, two more. Two. You're doing great. I'm burning two. One. This is when I start to wonder, why did I pick this as a theme for a workout? Because I need it. Okay, so reach across. I've switched legs. My left leg is up, and then I come forward to plank, and I'm tapping my right elbow. This is the very last thing, you guys. Okay, we only have 5 more. Stay strong in your arms. You can do this on all 4s if you need to. 3, 2, really deliberate. Like I said, it's a lot of work, but it's not fast. 1. Leg comes down. Walk it out. Both heels down. Drop your knees and just come forward onto your belly, where you're going to press right up into a stretch for the front of those abdominals, for the belly here. And breathe. Look over your right shoulder, center, left shoulder, center, and then with control, up and back, child's pose, and re-stack. Great job. I'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.